Hello dear students, you are welcome in RK Institute and I am Dr. RK Sani. Today we discuss entropy. Entropy is very important thermodynamic parameter related to second law of thermodynamics denoted by capital S, and it is mainly used for predict the spontaneity of the process. Let 9 molecules in a system, 9 molecules taken in a gaseous system, and their arrangement is following type. In state first, 9 molecules are followingly arranged. One molecule is disordered or irregularly arranged. Suppose it is here. And in state second, these molecules are followingly type arranged. No. It is state second of the 9 molecules. First of all, physical significance of entropy is it is the measure of randomness, or disorder of the molecule. Therefore we can say entropy of state second is greater than state first, because in state second molecules are more randomly, more irregularly, more disorderly arranged than first. Second, it is state function. And extensive property. Those properties of the system which does not depends upon the path are known as state function. For example, state second can be obtained by the application of temperature, heating of the system, attained by the help of temperature, by the pressure, more randomness, or by the application of volume, increase the volume, more randomness. Therefore, state second of the molecule does not depends upon temperature, pressure as well as volume, etc., and hence it is state function. It is also extensive properties. For example, the randomness of molecule, suppose 9 at this stage. When partition of the system, then randomness of this part is not 9 but less than 9, means those properties of the system which depends upon mass or size are known as extensive, and hence entropy is also extensive properties. Further, in general, entropy of solid, crystalline solid, because particles are regularly arranged, is less than entropy of liquid because more movement, and entropy of gas is greater than liquid because gaseous molecules have high kinetic energy. Therefore, more randomness or more disordered system. Therefore, entropy of gas is always greater than liquid as well as in solid. Higher atomicity has higher entropy. Higher atomicity has higher entropy. For example, entropy of H2 gas is greater than entropy of helium. Entropy of hydrogen gas is greater than the entropy of helium because helium is monatomic gas and the hydrogen is diatomic gas. Therefore, degree of freedom of polyatomic gas is greater than monatomic as well as diatomic, and hence entropy of polyatomic, higher atomicity of gas is greater than monatomic or less atomicity. Further, if molecularity gas are equal, for example chlorine gas and oxygen gas, molecularity of gas is equal, then molecule which have more number of electron has higher entropy. more number of electron has higher entropy, because in more number of electron the probability for the disorder of the molecule is higher, therefore it has higher entropy. Entropy also depends upon the temperature. For example, solid as 0 Kelvin at 0 Kelvin and solid at 115 Kelvin, the entropy of this solid, higher temperature solid, is greater than low temperature solid, because when we apply temperature, we increase temperature, then molecule get kinetic energy, therefore they show movement as well as they oscillate at their mean position. Oscillation is also randomness or disorder of the molecule, and hence entropy of the system at higher temperature is also greater than lower temperature. Mathematically, change in entropy calculated with help of following formula: Q reversible upon T. Here, entropy increase with increase the temperature in our question, and entropy change is also increase. Notice, entropy change is also increase when we increase temperature. Because when we increase temperature, then heat does not constant but also increase heat, and hence entropy is also increase. If equal amount of heat given to the system at different temperature, then change in entropy is also positive. Because change in entropy is always positive, therefore the final entropy of system is always greater than their initial when we increase temperature. Suppose state first at 100 Kelvin and we provide X amount of heat energy. In state second, same amount of heat energy provide at temperature 200 Kelvin. Same amount of energy provided at temperature 200 Kelvin. Therefore, change in entropy in this system, in this process, and the system is second, this change of entropy is less than the change in entropy at the system first. But final entropy of both process is greater than their initial process, because change in entropy is always positive. Change in entropy in both processes is always positive, because some amount of heat energy given to the system divided by temperature divided by their temperature. Therefore, change in entropy with positive sign always, and hence final entropy is greater than initial entropy when equal amount of heat given different temperature. It means entropy and change in entropy both are the function of temperature. Or we can say both are increases when we increase temperature of the system. In case of isolated system, when entropy increase of isolated system, then process is spontaneous. Or when entropy of universe, or we can say total entropy increase, then process is also spontaneous. Total entropy when calculated with help of the change in entropy of system as well as surrounding, and as entropy change of system and entropy change of surrounding is positive, then process also is spontaneous. And as is entropy is an important process, an important parameter to predict spontaneity of the process. Simple question: write sign of entropy change in following process. Write sign of entropy change in following process. For example, in process first, iron at temperature 25 degree centigrade to change iron at 50 degree centigrade. It is the liquid solution of ionic compound. During the crystallization, they change into the solid. Next, heating of sodium bicarbonate. On decomposition, it changes into sodium carbonate and evolves CO2 gas as well as water vapors. Fourth one, dissociation of hydrogen gas into atomic species gases. Right sign of entropy change. In first question, the entropy change is positive because at high temperature molecule has high entropy, because more disorder. Therefore, entropy of iron at 50 degree centigrade is greater than the entropy of iron at 25 degree centigrade. Therefore, change in entropy S2 minus S1, final minus initial, with positive sign. In second process, liquid solution of ionic compound change into crystalline solid, and hence in crystalline solid molecules or ions are more regularly arranged and has low entropy. Therefore, change in entropy, sign of change in entropy is negative. In equation third, solid molecule dissociate into solid as well as gas. When gaseous species are formed, then entropy always increase. Because gaseous species has high randomness. In next question, hydrogen molecule change into atomic form. Entropy will also increase because number of molecular species may be monoatomic, diatomic, polyatomic increase, then more disorder increase, and hence entropy change is also positive in this question. Another question, important or interesting question, sometimes asked by the student. For example, boiling of eggs. Where entropy change with positive sign. Reason, because in liquid state the liquid protein is their normal structure. On heating or boiling, the denaturation of protein takes place. Therefore, more randomness. However, solid protein becomes solid, but more randomness or more disorder. Therefore, entropy change become positive in boiling of the egg. Another question, due to denaturation of protein. Another question, decomposition of calcium carbonate. It change into calcium oxide and evolves CO2 gas. Entropy change is also positive due to formation of CO2 gas. Gaseous molecule have higher entropy, always higher entropy than liquid as well as solid. Next, mixing of the gases. Mixing of gases. For example, we taken two gases, namely A type molecule and B type molecule. A type molecule and A type gas and B type gas, and separated by spark. After removal of partition, these molecules are mixed to each other, and hence in state second, more randomness, more disorder in comparison to state first. Therefore, mixing of gases, entropy increase. Similarly, formation of liquids or solution. For example, ideal solution, negative solutions, positive solutions which show negative and positive deviation from Raoult's law. In all cases, entropy increases because more randomness, more disorder of system than their initial system. Their explanation is similar type. For example, liquid A, liquid B. After revolving of the separation, then it change into the liquid solution. The liquid solution may be ideal, may be non-ideal, may be show positive division, may be show negative division, but in all cases, entropy increase during the formation of solution. Entropy always increase during the formation of solution. Another question. Given reaction, iron react with oxygen and inject into the ferric oxide. It is also solid. For balancing the equation, its entropy change of this reaction, entropy change is of this reaction with negative sign because product is solid and reactant carry gas molecule, and hence their entropy change is minus 55 joule per Kelvin per mole. Joule per Kelvin per mole. And the heat change of this reaction, heat change, it is also combustion with negative sign, is 1500 kilojoule per mole. Identify this reaction is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. By the help of entropy, we know that if total entropy increase during the process, then it is spontaneous, and hence we calculate total entropy change during the process. Total entropy change calculated with help of entropy change of system. System means given reaction, as well as entropy change, of surrounding. If suppose the temperature of reaction is 300 Kelvin, then we find total entropy change during the process. The entropy change of the system is minus 550 joule per Kelvin per mole, and entropy change of surrounding, we calculate entropy change of surrounding. Entropy change of surrounding means exchange of heat energy of system upon temperature at constant pressure with opposite sign of the reaction. Reaction is exothermic. It means the heat exchange in surrounding with positive sign. Therefore, entropy change of surrounding is minus 1500 kilojoule, convert into joule, upon given temperature 300, and hence with positive sign 5000 joule per Kelvin per mole. Entropy change of surrounding is 5000 joule per Kelvin per mole. Putting the value 5000 joule per Kelvin per mole, and hence total entropy change during this reaction with negative sign. Therefore, process is spontaneous. Therefore, this process is spontaneous. Okay, dear student, today we discuss entropy, and in another class we increase the topic.